Hey guys, I'm JD here at Guaranty RV. Today we're looking at a used Hideout. It's a 2017 22 KBSWE. We're going to start on the outside, and this one's going to have the front power jacks, the two 7-gallon propane tanks, and then one 12-volt battery. And then we're going to get a nice size pass-through that's going to go all the way through. Little plug-ins for your TVs or little barbecues, a nice size awning over the top with outside speakers, and then we are going to get a little pulled out camp grill with the sink, the grill, and the fridge. And then on to the back we are going to have a ladder so you can actually get on top of the roof, walk around, have a party. Spare tire, okay, and it's pre-wired for a backup camera. And then below on this side is going to be the black and gray tank with the outdoor shower, which comes with hot and cold water, and then your actual plug-in for power. And then coming on to this side, gonna get your fresh water connections, and then we're gonna move on to the inside. We are gonna get a nice size countertop, sink, 3 stove burner, the oven, the microwave, the freezer, the fridge, and the back. We are gonna get a lot of space. You can move, oh, here we are. A lot of space to move around it, and we'll get like a closet pantry type deal, which is super nice. A decent size shower. And then back onto this side, we are gonna have a wraparound dinette. Drops down into a nice size bed, and the table is movable, so if you need some more table, because I'm a little heavier, I can actually squeeze in, which is nice. We are going to get a AC system and a heating system. You're going to get a TV here that wraps around into your private bed, and then once you're into your bed, if you don't want the TV, you got a mirror. You can watch yourself. I don't know, do what you want. But you do have windows that open up on both sides. Guys, if we have questions, give me a call at 541-954-4683. Thanks, guys.